In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Salesforce, and we'll make it as easy as possible in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this is the gateway to accessing all functionalities needed for your campaign. Once you're logged in, find the app launcher at the top left corner of the page. Click on it, and in the search bar, type in Campaigns. This is where you'll be managing your email campaigns. Then, click on the New button to start setting up a fresh campaign. Now, it's time to enter the core details of your campaign. Begin by naming your campaign. Choose something intuitive like Spring Promo 2005 to 2025 so it's easily recognizable later. Next, select the type of campaign from the drop-down options. This could be anything that suits your objectives, such as email, direct mail, or webinar. Don't forget to set your start and end dates. These dates help with tracking and reporting later on, so be as accurate as possible. Once you've filled in these details, be sure to hit the Save button. This will store your new campaign details and allow you to proceed with setting it up. Moving forward, you'll want to add the right contacts or leads to your campaign. Depending on your strategy, you can add all your leads or just specific ones who match certain criteria. To do this, look for the option to add members. This action is crucial because these members are your campaign's audience. With your audience in place, look for the drop-down menu next to the Add Contacts button and select Send Email. This will pivot you to the email crafting phase of your campaign. Here, you'll decide whether to choose an existing email template or create a new one. Utilizing templates can save you time, especially if you have pre-designed ones that fit with your brand's voice and style. Once you've selected or created your template, it's time to personalize it. Personalized emails can significantly boost engagement rates, making your campaign more effective. Consider adding the recipient's name and other customized details to make the communication feel more direct and personal. Before you hit that final send button, take a moment to click on Preview and Send. This allows you to see the email as a recipient would, ensuring all elements appear correctly and the message is clear. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and send it. Alternatively, you can choose to save it as a draft if you're scheduling the email for a later date, which is an excellent option if you're aligning with another component of your marketing strategy. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now capable of running an effective email campaign using Salesforce. By staying organized and using Salesforce's powerful tools, you can engage your audience and achieve your marketing goals efficiently. Thanks for watching.